Hello and welcome back to Voicebites from Damn Good Voices. Today I'm joined by comedian, singer, impressionist and voiceover artist Allan Stewart. Hey Alan.
Hi Joel, how you doing?
I'm very well, thanks. Thanks for joining me again.
Pleasure to be here.
Now I've got a question about everything except using your voice in a session. As in, do you think personality and rapport with the client is kind of just as important as what you do in the booth?
I think it's really important. I've always liked to break down the barrier when you go in and sit there all very proper and all of a sudden you're starting to have, as I say, there's a barrier there. I don't like that. I like to try and get a bit of humor into it right away. I might have, break into Auntie Me. Who's my character? She's a woman who really enjoys laughing and enjoys life. So if you do that, you break down this barrier right away. You can see people looking through the booth and saying, "Is that a man or a woman?" But there's a lot of old lady in me, basically. Even though impressions are probably not acceptable, I will do a quick Billy Connolly and just throw it in there just to get, as I say, get people relaxed and realize that humor is very, very important.
Oh, definitely. Although I feel like you have an unfair advantage being a comedian. You need to, as I said in the last one, you need to share these skills because I don't think I can make people laugh as easily as you can.
Well, I don't know. You might get some miserable engineer at the other side of the glass that's just looking at you, and you feel a bit stupid when Julie Clary answers the next question, and or the worst moment, he might be thinking to himself, "Who's he doing now?"
Yeah, exactly. You've got to be willing to look a little bit crazy, but hey, I think that makes you more of an interesting person.
Hopefully, yeah.
Yeah. And I'm sure I've booked jobs again with the same client, not just because of my voice, but because I had a really great chat with them before or after the session. So
Yeah, it's really, really important. I think that's one of the most important things is get rapport going between you and the client, or even you and the engineer. I think it's important the engineer realizes that you're ready for a laugh.
yeah, no, definitely. I agree. Well, thank you for coming back on Voice Bites and sharing your tips and advice.
My pleasure.
Guys, I've been Joel Wood and you've been listening to the amazing Allan Stewart. You can check his profile out down below and please click subscribe and stay tuned for more Voice Bites. See you. Bye.